Hi friends, Prasad here. So in this video I'm going to show you our farm. So it's like a farm tour kind of thing. So let's get in. This is main road, and from here we just enter into our shed. This is a gate. Actually this is not properly made, but we are using for now until we fix that. Gate makes some noise, never mind. And I have to close immediately, otherwise these kids won't stay inside. Okay, these are the two goats we have now. These are my brother's goats, and our kid puppies, dog puppies, enjoying with something. And as usual, goose is playing in mud, or calves are eating grass. So today our chickens are also joined with calves to eat grass. So this is the situation now. So this is a farm tour kind of thing. So I will show from here beginning. So here we will put grass inside, then we will tie our cows here. So as cows are not there, so these calves are enjoying in all over the place in farm. So here we have grass cutting machine. We have fan also, and these are feed for cows and buffalo. And these are the chicken house. I don't know what we call, but I'm saying chicken house. And this is goose house. This side goose, this side chicken. And this is made with this. I don't know what we call them in English. I just cut the green grass for kids, these calves. As it is holiday today, I came a little bit early to see these guys. Then I cut some grass. Chickens. We have 5 chicken. We have 10 chickens actually. 5 are males. I don't know what we call. 5 are hen. I don't know. Male chicken is called as something peacock or something. I don't know. Cock or something. Yeah, I don't remember the name. Cool boys, cool girl. Our puppy boy is sleeping there. His name is Tom, but he never come to me if I call it Tom. Tom, come here. But if I do whistle, it will come. We will give some milk to him. We have 2 cows and 1 buffalo milking now, giving milk. So 1 buffalo and 2 cows are giving milk. So we have plenty of milk for him. So he's enjoying. Total we have 5 cows and 1 buffalo. In that 2 cows are giving milk. And this guy completed also. Let's give some more. It's 4 weeks old. and I will show you that farm from the front. So here it is the front view, and this side we made small shelter for goats and bulls. If it rains, we will tie them here. And this is a dung from cows and buffalo and bulls. And this is a water pond kind of small tank we made. Fresh water. This has always fresh water to drink for cows and buffalo. So these guys are enjoying today. But we are wasting grass. Nice. How to fix them? Our duck is playing with chickens. What are you doing? Good. By the way, this is a female duck, female goose. I don't know whether it is goose or duck, but I'm calling sometimes goose. If you want to see these kind of videos, let me know in comments. Like and subscribe and share also. If anyone wants to see these kind of videos, you can share with them. I feel very refreshing when I come to farm. Comment if you also feel that way. If you feel refreshing if you go to your farm or farm fields. Okay guys, so that's all for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe. Bye. We'll see you next time.